Got another great layout from Starcraft here. They do a good job with these deck boats. Approximately 22 feet in length. Not only do you got a huge swim platform on aft, up at the bow you got a great swim platform as well. Nice sized bimini to keep you out of the sun. Look at that swim platform. Underwater lighting. Nice little lounger on the seat here. Large cooler. Another storage spot. Great looking dash. Lots of storage, another cooler. We also have a cooler over here. Little wet bar, sink. Ample storage. Down the well. Come give us a look here at Grand Haven SkipperBud's.